Selamat pagi, perkenalkan saya Master Sulis. Pagi ini ingin sharing untuk teman-teman yang pemula mau belajar bahasa Inggris atau learning English. Saya bagi 4 tahap dalam belajar bahasa Inggris. Kita harus belajar tentang reading, setelah itu writing, listening, dan terakhir speaking. Speaking menjadi hal yang terakhir karena seluruh kemampuan atau orang dapat memahami apa yang kita pikirkan ketika kita berbicara, speaking. Dan itu tahap yang terakhir yang bisa kita pelajari nanti. Sekarang kita belajar tentang reading. Reading adalah tahap pertama. Biasakan membaca bacaan dalam bahasa Inggris. Bacaan cari yang pendek atau singkat dan sederhana. Contohnya cerita anak-anak dalam bahasa Inggris. Pertama, baca pelan-pelan kata per kata. Yang kedua, baca saja. Jangan takut salah dalam pengucapan, artikulasi. Yang ketiga, perhatikan tanda koma dan titik saja. Yang keempat, tidak perlu harus ada penekanan pada kata atau kalimat. Dan yang kelima, baca dengan jelas, suara cukup terdengar. Itu tips dari Master Sulis untuk kalian dalam belajar untuk pemula tahap reading. Nah, ini beberapa buku cerita anak-anak berbahasa Inggris. Ada juga yang bilingual atau bahasa Indonesia, ada juga bahasa Inggrisnya. Kita mulai yang berbahasa Inggris saja. Everybody loves butterflies. Little caterpillar didn't like change. His brothers and sisters had all turned into butterflies, and he knew that one day he would too. But he wanted to stay a caterpillar forever. Change is good, said a lovely swan. Don't you want to become a beautiful butterfly? But little caterpillar didn't I like being a caterpillar? I don't ever want to change. Caterpillars are so dull, said a bright dragonfly. Butterflies are all the colors of the rainbow. But little caterpillar thought that so many colors would only make him dizzy. You will eat nectar from flowers, said a busy bumblebee. Nectar is delicious, but little caterpillar liked eating leaves. He liked the satisfying crunch they made. Think of all the advantage Think of all the adventures you will have, said a teeny ant. You'll see the world. What about flying? Asked a friendly robin. Butterflies can fly high. Maaf, saya ulangi, ada yang salah. Think of all the adventures you will have, said a teeny ant. You will see the world. Bawahnya masih ada. But little caterpillar didn't see the point. He was happy here. What about flying? Asked a friendly robin. Butterflies can fly high in the sky. Little caterpillar looked up. The sky seemed an awfully long way away. Everybody loves butterflies, said a spindly spider. Who do you know who loves caterpillar? Me, said little caterpillar. I do. Little caterpillar went to see Owl. Owl was the oldest and the wisest animal he knew. Oh, Owl, must I become a butterfly? Why can't I stay a caterpillar forever and ever? Little caterpillar smiled the owl. You are a caterpillar now, and one day you will be a butterfly. You will still be you. You will just be you with wings. Banyak. That very night, little caterpillar snuggled down deep and had a long sleep. And when he woke up, he had wings, glorious wings, wings with red and purple spots. He flapped them a few times to dry. Amazing. He flew up high in the sky. He looked down at the world. He ate nectar from the flowers and flew a loop, the loop fantastic. Yippee! He whooped as he whizzed past Owl's tree. I love being a butterfly. I want to be a butterfly forever and ever. Old Owl laughed. I'm glad to see that some things don't change. And little butterfly wheeled through the sky on his brand new wings, waving to all his friends. It's ended. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson. Bye.